Hey everyone, how you doing today? Topic number 2 with Jonathan Twombly is something special. He is working on something and wants to share it with our audience. So Jonathan, welcome, and I'm looking forward to this.
Yeah, so this is, I haven't told you about what this is either, so it's a surprise, but
Surprise to
just want
everyone.
to update everybody on what I'm working on. I mean, there's actually a bunch of stuff in the hopper right now. But so one thing that this actually wasn't what I was going to mention, but one thing I have been working on and will be working on, and if you're interested, you should contact me, is a build to suit triple net sale leaseback of a legal cannabis production facility in St. Louis. This is going to be this is a really interesting opportunity with one of the really solid players in the marketplace in the legal cannabis business, and we're basically going to build with them a state-of-the-art production facility in a St. Louis suburb, and we're going to then buy it from them and lease it back to them.
Wow.
For a 15-year term. So this
Very
is going to
cool.
be really, really interesting. And because of one of the things I find super interesting about the cannabis business is that, as you know, triple net leases tend to pay pretty low cap rates because they're very secure. Cap rates on this deal are very high because cannabis is still in this quasi-legal limbo state, right? So there's still issues with federal banking, right? Banking has not been liberalized yet for cannabis, so there's a limited number of like regional and state banks that are able to deal with it. Things like that have caused you can't borrow to finance these deals, which you can with traditional triple net deal. So that means that you've got to go in all cash, and you get rewarded for doing that, right? So it's very, very interesting. If you want to talk about this with me further, you should go to my website, twobridgesmanagement.com, just Google Two Bridges Asset Management and fill out my investor form. This is limited to accredited investors, so if you're not accredited, I'm sorry, but it's going to be a 506c offering, so you have to be accredited.
And accredited, just for people to remember, it is what, more than 400 grand in income and $1 million ex house?
It's 200,000.
Oh, 200,000.
Individually, 300,000 as a couple, or 1 million in assets, excluding your personal residence.
Yep. Cool. All right.
So
I will fill out your investor form.
Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So here's the other exciting news. So for 5 years now, I have been having discussions with a very large Japanese trading company about real estate. And for those of you who don't know what trading companies are these massive conglomerates in Japan that are essentially in the business of doing business. They just chase profits, and they go into all kinds of businesses. They're very sort of decentralized, and so they, over the years of talking with this company, I've talked to them about oil and gas. I've talked with them about gas stations. When I was a lawyer, I worked on a deal involving this company about mining rights in Australia. I mean, it's like runs the gamut. They do real estate, they do corporate acquisitions. I mean, everything, right? They do export import. That's how they started. That's why they're called trading companies, a lot of that. So they're into everything. And I've been talking with them first back in 2016 about investing in my own syndication deals. That then morphed into this idea of, because they wanted to get into the asset management business, about doing a joint venture to find deals for first it was the joint venture where they would bring their clients into my deals, and then I would do my deals. Then it morphed into a joint venture to find deals for their clients and co-asset manage them. And now that has expanded from that into doing that plus doing investments into ground up construction and multifamily.
Wow.
So there is, quite a bit of capital available for the right deals. So if people want to, if people are in need of capital for ground up construction in markets that are essentially in the South and West, is what basically all over the West Coast and pretty much most of the South, with the exception of a few states. They are interested in doing, construction in major MSAs,
Okay.
ground up, that meet their parameters, and we can obviously discuss them offline if you're interested. But we're talking about, between 50 and 90% of the equity, between $10 million and $50 million
Nice.
in dollar terms. So reach out to me if you need that. And then the other thing is a little bit more esoteric, but with the same client, we are looking for 1990s deals, have to be 1990s deals, 1990s construction in New York, Texas, California, and Hawaii.
Ooh.
And yeah, and they have to be big. And we're talking, they got to be at least $25 million deals, preferably 50 to 100 million. So
Okay.
Those deals that's just for outright purchase with their clients and us doing asset management. So this is just, kind of testament to sticking with something for a very long time until it finally bears fruit. Like I said, I've been talking with them. So I think I first came in contact with them in 2014 and have been talking with them seriously about real estate stuff since 2016. So now it's 2021.
Nice.
And here we are. So
that's an awesome testament to just putting in the work. Also your reputation, right? They've clearly checked you out over the years and kept coming back, right? I've worked and sold in Japan. Well, I sold in Japan. I've worked there, meaning I spent weeks there.
Yeah.
So yeah, clearly, congratulations. That's pretty awesome. That's
Thank you. Yeah. Very excited about this. I mean, this actually came up last year, and then of course, then COVID shut it down. And then got a call from them a few weeks ago saying, "Hey, look,
let's do it
again." So now
So really what you're looking for is you're looking for big acreage on part A. That's probably already zoned or could be rezoned. And then number B is let's look for a 1990s asset or of size in a few states. That's pretty exciting.
For part A, it's really looking to partner with established construction companies or people doing major repositioning deals. So that are almost like construction. So like if you've got, say, a hotel that you're repositioning into multifamily, it's got to be multifamily.
Yep.
In either case, but if you're building multifamily ground up and you need LP equity, or you are doing a major repositioning of a multifamily property and you need LP equity, then this is available. Yeah.
So where do you want him to go? Because I'm imagining there'll be somebody out there watching this that's going to go, I might have that thing for Jonathan.
Yeah, they should just they should just email me directly. So Twombly at Two Bridges Management. You can go to my website and there's a contact form. You can contact me there. So yeah, that's
awesome.
probably.
I will put it in the first line of this video. Your website. Let me just take that action. Very cool. Any closing thoughts about this opportunity?
No, but just I'm really excited to get rolling with this. Yeah, so it's a brand new thing for me. I mean, for me, it's really going to be focused more on asset management than ownership with these deals, but it definitely leads to great opportunity and more business down the road. So very excited about it.
Very, very cool. Awesome. Congratulations.
Thank you.